Okay, 10 to
Kasi yun,
12.
sa akin 12 eh.
$10 to $12.
Nene! Kami ka mo sabihin nene kay Pons lang.
Nene. Ano ba yung kasi nene?
Person namin.
Okay. So,
Why nene?
we watched Pacific Rim kanina. Ayan na, ibang topic na tuloy yung ano. Kasi ayaw niyo magkwento about Guam.
Yan, Pacific Rim maganda. Watch niyo.
Well, I think one thing's for sure is...
Follow at Pacific Rim.
One thing's for sure, the boys enjoyed Guam kasi they were able to spend time.
Thank you, sir.
Spend time with their friends. Diba, if it was a good time, we don't tolerate bad language here. Please, if do yourself a favor.
Don't say F you.
Okay.
Say
Get out of here, bro.
Okay na.
So don't follow. Anak, don't type anything.
Wait.
Wag mo nang anuhin. He's just he just wants attention. Hayaan mo na. Don't. Huy.
Sabihin ko pogi siya.
Ikaw talaga. Sige. One thing's for sure. Okay. Guys, we do not tolerate any abusive or offensive language here. So,
Oy, umalis ka na, Leo 6074! Ingay mo!
Get out of here, bro.
oh my gulay, I'm so sorry about that.
Don't say bad words! Jesus will get mad at you. Yon, tama. Sabi niya, say fudge. Tama yon.
You're right, you're right.
Say fudge, not... Yun.
Wait, guys, kindly chill.
Or
Okay,
else I'm gonna
chill.
nene you.
Okay, so let's chill. So yeah, boys. Okay. Anyway. Oh, we have a viewer from Russia.
Hello po.
Ano may pag-usapan natin? Ah, yeah.
Wow.
Russia is the biggest
Ano?
country in the world. It's nene.
Are you serious?
Yun, naglay. Pero siya, mas madami pa yung population in China.
Okay, that's the biggest. Pero China has
The most.
is the mostly populated. No, not you. The mga bastos.
Sheshe.
Okay, wait. So, what can you say about Pacific Rim?
Oh.
Mami na si
It is okay.
What can you say about... Please be careful, anak. What can you say about Pacific Rim?
It was okay, but I still like the first one.
Me too. How about you?
It's nene.
Babe, you keep on saying nene.
Hey, there's
You
people-
said a while ago, you said na part 2 was way better than the first one.
Kasi ayoko mami mag-spoiler alert.
You're just gonna say lang naman if it's good, but you're not gonna, hindi ka naman spoiler alert.
I-watch niyo, yun lang. Watch niyo.
Okay, so he's asking you guys to watch it. Oh, someone's asking, Ate Jode, ano po ang name ni Gab sa IG at 30?
Ano po?
Ako magta-type.
Type mga babe.
Type mo rin sa akin.
Follow Tilakson. My nickname is Nene.
Saan?
Nandun. Okay.
Hehehe.
Tilakson.
Like ko yun. Nickname mo, Nene.
And
Yun.
then si Gab also.
Joke lang.
Bro, type Gab siya.
Follow yun, yung sinabi ko.
Hey, ay Gab, you type yours.
Nadumihan. Sorry, tita.
Okay. Tita Barbs is watching us.
Hi, Tita Barbs.
Tita Barbs, we love you. Tita Barbs, hello to Pastor Albert. Tita Barbs, we love you. Hello, Joanne. Hello from our viewers from Hawaii, from Russia, from
Iraq.
Australia. Hello, people. We love you, Tita Barbs. Nice seeing you last Sunday. Thank you for praying for us.
pesos if you say Nene.
What does top live mean?
Mami, magsustop yung live mo.
Ah.
Wait.
Third day.
Thank you for watching. Sana dalawa ang puso. Sending love to our our followers in Malaysia and